guys, let's get to it. Today's piece is gonna be Romance or Romanze by Johann Kaspar Mertz, one of my favorite romantic era composers for the guitar. So it's a fairly easier piece from Mertz catalog. So it's an E minor and it's in 4/4 time. And I'm just gonna start playing very slow and stop where I think there's any tricky particular spots. So we start like this. So those are the first two bars. We start with pretty much an E minor chord, melody, C and B, go to G on the first string with G and B open strings accompanying, and low E. You can kind of arpeggiate, or you can play it as written as a block chord. I like to kind of roll it a little bit sometimes. So then A minor on the second bar, measure 2. Again, you can do a slight roll or play the chord as written as a block. Then we have this melody notes, D, C on the second string, play with fingers 4 and 1, and then back to E minor. So those are the first two bars together. And we have bar number 3 or measure 3. We play a B on the 5th string and an A on the 3rd string. And then we have 2nd string open and back to the A. Then we have low E and G, play with thumb and index. And then some melody notes, E and F. We play this F sharp with the first finger because we're gonna go on bar number 4. We're gonna have to play a high A on the first string 5th fret, like this, with a low E on the bass. And then we fall to this B7 chord. So from measure 1 to 4 we have this. Okay, so that's the first phrase. So we go to measure number 5 now, and pretty much we start like the beginning, like the first bar. So that's the same as the first measure, but now we're gonna have something different on the bar number 6. We have this D, which is pretty much D, then a D7th chord, or acts as a dominant chord to go to G. So, okay, and then on measure number 7 we have this. Okay, so bar number 9 we basically start off on the dominant or the B7. Okay, so we have this B on the 5th fret, and then A on the 3rd string, and B on the open 2nd string. Okay, so we have to play a C on the 2nd string on the 3rd beat. And then we go to an E minor, but we have to play a C on the 1st string. And then this B and B octaves. So B, 2nd octave or highest B, and then middle octave B on the 2nd string. We hold that B, so B. Then we repeat. Okay, that's the same as a 9th measure. And then we have a triplet feel on measure number 12, like this. And this is interesting. So the triplet melody now is switched to the bass on the last two beats of that measure. So again, it goes like this. Okay. So the first two measures, we have bass, low E, and A while we're playing this on the top. Little chromatism, and then that triplet feel goes to the bass, and we have a open B on the top. Okay, and then measure number 13, we go back to the beginning of the melody. Okay, so we pretty much cover that. You can play 3 or 4 here. Whatever you're more comfortable with. So now on measure 15, we have this. And the closing sentence goes like this. Again. And then we go to E on the 12th fret of the first string, and we play low E, G and B, open, with this rhythm. And then we go here, 2nd fret of the 4th string, we play an E minor triad, but we move the bass, E, B, G, E, like this. That's it.